Good morning, guys. Today is our last day of our Greek and Adriatic cruise. We are here at Ravenna, Italy. This is our first consecutive cruising. Come see what we end up doing and what the consecutive cruising process is like.
We don't know what to expect. Our plan is to just stay on the ship and pretty much just rest before another set of back-to-back port days. I'm Chris.
And I'm Ed. We're just two regular things figuring out life one adventure at a time.
As Filipinos our age, you'd think we'd be ticking off the usual checklists, paying off a mortgage, chasing after kids, and settling down.
But instead, we're checking off a different kind of list. Amazing food, unforgettable experiences, and breathtaking sunsets.
Come join us as we explore, eat great food, and show you what life looks like on our terms.
So let's get started. Let's cruise.
So we packed up all our stuff so stateroom attendant can bring it to our new stateroom. And we're gonna go have breakfast now. Let's see what's going on in the ship.
Favore-se dirigir na saída no percurso centro do navio. Muito obrigada por ter viajado com Royal Caribbean International e desejamos uma boa viagem por casa.
We're heading to breakfast now. It's about 7:20 and you see how it's pretty much deserted. Everyone's probably off the ship or gathering in other public areas before getting off. People requested for assist of luggages. They're just waiting here before their luggage tag is called. And we're gonna stop by to get my coffee because you can't start the day without coffee.
Yep, as Platinum members we get a 50% discount on specialty coffee. We can use twice per member per sailing. Of course I let her use mine.
Number 10, this is transfer to Venice City Center. Once again, back number 10, transfer to Venice City Center. Please proceed to the application as seen in the Muy buenos días, damas y caballeros. En este momento estamos llamando al número de tarjeta número 10, que es el traslado a la ciudad centro de la ciudad de Venecia. Favor dirigirse a la salida indicada en la cubierta número 1, centro de vapor. Les agradecemos por viajar con Royal Caribbean International y les deseamos un buen viaje de regreso a casa.
We're on the way to main dining room deck 3, and as you can see, there are more people here waiting to get off the ship.
It feels weird to see people leaving. In 2 hours there'll only be consecutive cruisers left.
You didn't squish me in. There's no arms on this.
She likes to be pushed in all the way. You don't gotta tell me twice. Well, here are our pastries.
Do I really need it?
Anyways, that donut was delicious. Here's his breakfast, and my favorite market vegetable breakfast bowl.
That was the fastest breakfast service. It only took 30 minutes from the time we were seated. Here's the departure schedule, which is all throughout the ship. It also has the meeting location once your number is called. This just feels weird, we're not rushing for an excursion.
This is what it looks like at Ravenna Cruise Port Terminal. You cannot walk in the terminals. You really need to go on a shuttle or a taxi to take you to the airport or the city center. We also made a video about Ravenna transfers, so we will link it right here.
We're at the main dining. This is where consecutive cruisers check out one last time with their old SeaPass card. Then we'll exit checking in with a new SeaPass card.
Station at number 22, transfer to Marco Polo Airport. This is in Venice Airport. Once again, number 20 and 23 for independent guests, number 21 for transfer to Ravenna train station, and number 22 for transfer to Venice Airport. The please proceed to the gangway located on deck number 1, midship. We thank you for proceeding with Delta International and we wish you a safe and pleasant journey home. Muy buenos días, damas y caballeros. En este momento estamos llamando a los números de etiqueta número 20 y 23 para vuestros ubicados en la cubierta número 1, centro del barco. Les agradecemos por haber elegido Royal Caribbean International y deseamos un buen viaje de regreso a casa.
Okay, it's official. This is now the start of our next leg of our Mediterranean cruise. We also get a complimentary shuttle bus service to the city center. Make sure you get back on board before all aboard time, of course.
We've just been here at the library. The promenade is just right across and we can tell how quiet it is. We only hear crew members moving around. We've just been uploading our videos so we can start sorting and organizing them.
It's now 12 o'clock and Royal Caribbean has provided us a specific lunch for only consecutive cruisers. Let's see what they have for us.
She got those steady hands now and was able to show the menu, and not the ceiling. Well, it only took about a week, right?
Alright, just don't expect better filming from now on.
So I'll just the New York cheese plate anyway. Thank you. Thank you.
Just so tired.
Yeah.
Woke up so early. Yeah, it's currently 12 o'clock. Well, and stateroom won't be available till 1 o'clock to our new stateroom, so we're gonna go back there, unpack. Why are you not talking?
Oh, guys, I feel weird. Yeah. After I eat, I'll read that's all.
I'm so sleepy. Alright. Probably visit the spa, enter the raffle again.
I need to book our services are.
Yeah, I want to get a pedicure.
I want to get a haircut. She got the wild mushroom soup. This is her filming, so she said don't expect good filming every time. And I got the Caesar salad.
It's still me filming, so you know, this is what you can expect. This is the steak for me, and he got the fish. I like my steak. Did you like your steak?
No, I didn't like the fish.
Oh, I meant fish.
Instead of me trying to
I got the New York cheesecake and she got the vanilla ice cream.
Maybe I didn't need this vanilla ice cream. Look at it, it's still jiggly. I gotta go to the gym today. Oh, look at this cute couple.
This is gonna be us one day. Pinnacle status.
Yeah, you're gonna be like him with a walker too. Following me.
That's what I'm doing now. I'm following you.
We're walking to our new stateroom now. We're gonna see if it's ready. This is our new deck, deck 8, moving on up from deck 6. Look at him leading the way this time, thinking he's a new person from a new ship.
Yeah, you got that right. Who's following who now?
Yeah, whatever, I'm just gonna fast forward this whole part. Nobody needs to see who's walking in front.
Okay, you don't need to fast forward your voice too.
same room, different deck, even same configuration. So sweet. They really brought it the way that we did.
So I put my back.
Here, the promenade again.
We didn't prefer this room, but we also didn't want to pay extra to select our room, since this sailing was getting sold out.
So loud here. So loud here.
This is a map of the muster station. If you're consecutive cruise, you'll still have to go to the muster station and get cleared.
4 hours have passed, we unpacked, and we took a nap.
And I went to the muster station by myself, and she only woke up for the sail away.
Alright, we just came back from the gym.
We were tired.
Well, I feel better actually. It was so sluggish. Alright, our dining reservation now is at 7:15 instead of 8:45 from the last cruising. It's now, we have an hour.
Now to get ready.
See you at dinner. Bye.
Bye.
The head waiter was very nice to accommodate us to keep us in his section for this next cruising. So we're gonna be with them for 7:15 instead of 8:45 p.m. This is the welcome aboard menu. Same exact menu 7 days ago or 7 nights ago. I'm gonna get the same thing, I think.
I might try something different, but I don't know.
But this menu has gone through it. Why are there pen marks?
So I think I got something different. Got the tomato soup.
I got the spinach and artichoke dip. I love it.
And we both got the southern fried chicken.
Yeah, I didn't like the corn dough. Look at that. It's overcooked, man. I wanted to return it, but we gotta go watch the sunset. We gotta get out of here.
And I got the Boston cream pie.
And I did not get any dessert because, you know, I got 2 things today already.
Want to go to the bottom here? Go around down. We did the center. Oh, it's going down already.
I know, that's why it's so slow. I'm glad we caught the sunset since we have an early dinner now.
So nice. It doesn't matter what angle, but this has been the best angle.
No 2 sunsets the same.
That officially wraps up our consecutive cruising day. Thanks for coming along. We definitely needed a rest day from the back-to-back port days.
Tomorrow is a sea day and it is a special day. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned to see how we spend our anniversary at sea.
Let's cruise!